Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install CentOS web panel. So first thing, we need to have a VPS or server, and we have a lot of packages with biggest feature. For example, I choose this one, have 25 gigabyte NVMe. That's the type of disk. Also with one core, 2 gigabyte RAM. Bandwidth is unlimited. Also the uplink is 1 gigabit per second, shared, not with guaranteed. That's meaning you will not have every time 1 gigabit per second. It's shared. For example, sometimes you will get 500 megabit, 1000 megabit, 200 megabit, 300 megabit, 600 megabit, like this. So now let's start deploy now. I want for one more, so type enter your server name, for example youtube.regxa.com, and the password ns1 ns2. Also the CentOS web panel actually only supports CentOS 6.9, also CentOS 7, not support for CentOS 8 until now. So I choose CentOS 7. G7 location, okay, Germany. Continue. Also the new code available for this moment, you will get 60% discount with this code. New year, valid code, new year, don't change it, valid code. Okay, check out. See, now we have 60 discount, 60% checkout. I have credit because I don't need it to pay as my account. Complete order, click to continue to client area. Service will be installed. Take 1 minute or maximum 5 minutes for the installation. Now the VPS installed successfully. I like to check it. It's finished or not yet. Let me see. It's not finished yet now. Okay, now it's done. So we get back to the panel. We have panel. Go to install section, then control panel. After that, click on this image, CWP, CentOS panel. Are you sure you want to install this panel? Yeah, of course. And the process need 90 minutes. No way. Okay. The panel will be installed when you shut down and then start the VPS. That's meaning you no need to restart. Only press this button, power off the VPS. The VPS has been powered off successfully. So now, again, start. Press the start. The VPS was started successfully. Okay. Take a while. Now I like to check the process where we go. Where is going on? Okay. I go to VNC, then launch HTML5 VNC client to access my VPS by this way. just enter type ls. This command will show you how many files have this from this part. So now we have ins_cwp.log. we need to check this log to know where is going on the process. So type sudo tail dash f ins under dash cwp dot log. Enter. The process is started for installation CentOS web panel. We need to wait until the process will be done. So now the installation was done, and we have details here about username, password, MySQL root password. Now go to your panel again, and that's our VPS IP. Copy, then just paste here. Code port is 2030. Go. Don't worry about this, we don't have installed SSL yet now, because show this. The username is root and the password is the password of your VPS. Great, I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.